This 2017 Coachmen Freelander 26 rupees Chevy 4500 is a Class C RV. It is located in Grand Terrace, California, 92313 and is offered for sale by Best RV Center Grand Terrace. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features a Bronzite, carbon, stone mist interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bath. This 2017 Coachmen Freelander 26 rupees Chevy 4500 is built on a Chevy 4500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.